All right, my social media followers, we have this 2017 Dodge Challenger, and here we are replacing the subframe. This is the actual new subframe that is going into the car. The reason why, here is the reason why we put it in a new subframe. This is basically damage from this part, from the front part here, and basically that requires a replacement. So if you're looking for somebody to replace your subframe on your Charger, Challenger, or Chrysler 300, let me know. We can do it. We can do it for you. This is all the parts that we already replaced into the new subframe, and it's about to go back into the car. So this is how the car looks right now. Give me a call if you need a subframe replacement. Like I say, this is a 2017 Chrysler. Dodge Challenger. Sorry. Give me a call if you need anything like this. Thanks a lot.